Sir, please save me. Please save me.
Save you from what?
Please save me. Save me.
What is this now, eh? Save me for what?
Sir, please save me. My boyfriend is after my life. Please save me. He's coming. Please. Please.
Come out of the car first. Why are you staying inside my car?
Sir, there is no time. Please. Go. Let me close the doors, please.
What is this now? No.
Please, good afternoon. Please, sir, I'm looking for one girl with golden hair and a jumpsuit.
A girl with golden hair and jumpsuit?
Yes, sir. She ran past this place just no. She stole from me.
She stole from you?
Yes, sir.
I didn't see anybody.
Sir, please tell me if you saw her. She stole a huge amount of money from me.
Oh, are you making a mistake or what? I don't understand what you're talking about.
Sir, I am telling you the truth. She stole a huge amount of money from me. That's why I've been pursuing her.
Did you say the lady has a gold hair?
Yes, sir. Exactly. A gold hair with a black jumpsuit.
I don't know if she's the one I saw, but I saw one lady, she came here. Before I could say Jack Robinson, she ran past this way.
Sir, you mean she ran past me?
Yes.
This way.
If you go faster, you might still get her. Yes.
So you mean she
that way? Yes.
This way?
Yes, that way.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Why is he still looking for the girl? What? Huh? What is going on? My money? My phone? This lady tricked me? Don't play with the tail of a lion. You think that you can do this and get away with it? I will tell you what an elder sees while sitting. Even if you stand on an iroko tree, you will never see it.
Wow, this is hard currency, dollars. My goodness. Ooh. Yes, this is an iPhone. This is an iPhone. Oh, you're here.
Yes.
Yes. Look at all the valuables. This
my God.
hard currency, you know.
This is huge amount of money, man.
We made it.
Oh my God.
We made it.
This is
an iPhone.
This is 13 Pro Max.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you, this is a very smart
13 Pro Max.
Babe, keep this phone. I have some phones with me, so you can keep this
So
one.
you mean this is now my own phone?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. I'm now a big girl, you know. I've been dreaming to have an iPhone.
That was a smart job.
Right?
A job well done.
You know how smart I am when it comes to things like this.
I'm telling you. Count this money, count this one.
Okay.
Count the money.
I'm happy I have a smart dude too.
Can you count
you're
the
so
money?
smart.
Count the money.
Of course. This is hard currency, you know. Dollars. Oh my God. This is huge, you know.
This is the last one. Use this one and complete your own.
Oh, that's good.
So I think that one is enough for you.
I think this is more than enough. More than enough. Wow.
Keep that money, okay? That one, just manage that one. Maybe when next we do another job, then I can give you.
Are you stupid? Are you okay? See, if I change it for you, you hate me.
What is wrong with
you? Are you out of your mind?
Why did you push me?
You're very stupid. Why will you give me this small change now?
You understand? I gave you
Am
this.
I not the one that did the
So if you the dangerous
Eh?
so what happened?
After jumping, I used all my strength to enter that car and you're here giving me this.
And you should be
I
happy.
slap you, I'll forget my hands on your
If you
chin.
do what?
I will deal with you
Is
now.
anything wrong with
I
you?
will deal with
If
you.
you slap me,
Oga,
can you
give me-
slap me?
You must give me the lion's share. In fact,
Can you slap me?
Oga, give me that
Come on,
money.
keep quiet.
I'll be the one to share that
Shut
money.
up.
I say give me that money.
You be the
I'll
one
be
to share which money?
Yes.
You
Give
be
me
the one
that.
to
I was the one that did
Hey,
the job.
listen to me. If you don't want to do this job again, I will look for another person. I'll look for someone else if you don't want to do this job again. Oh, because you jump inside the car, that's why you want to tell me that you did the lion walk.
Okay, I know what to do. No, you're now raising your muscle for me. Without me, could you even have touched this kind
And
of
friend,
money?
keep quiet, man. See, if this is like a weaving shot the money that I gave you, I gave you this amount of money.
I know what to do. I'm going straight away to the police station and I'll make statements against you.
Police station?
Of course, they'll come and arrest you. You see this chicken change you give me? I don't need it. You can have it. Idiots. Nonsense.
Oh, you think I'm scared with police?
No, let's
Before you
not.
get there, I'm already there.
Let me see you
Before
now.
you get there, I'm already
Try
there.
it.
Come on, shut up. Keep quiet. Nonsense. I gave you a huge amount of money and you're talking nonsense. I don't blame you. You know what? Let me first of all get to that police station before you.
The both of you have not seen anything yet. This is just the beginning. Before you get to that station, I will be there before you. Nobody ever tries to take anything from me. I am Chief Omego. Nobody dares.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.